This is Ravi Singh, your computer science teacher, and today I came here with our new topic in which I am going to discuss some clauses, MySQL clauses, as well as some keywords which are very useful for the examination and which is very useful to write the SQL queries in exam or in some tables. Clear? Today I am going to discuss some clauses like order by clause. The second one is group by clause, and few keywords like ASC ascending keyword as well as DESC desk means descending keywords. These two keywords are very important for the database management system. With the help of these two keywords, we can arrange our data either in increasing or in decreasing order. Clear? We have to sometimes we need to specify the data in a special manner, like in either in increasing order as well as in decreasing order, so that to sort out these kind of problems we will use always use ASC and DESC keyword. Clear? Now, some clauses are also there, order by clause and group by clause, which is very useful for the MySQL portion to write the SQL queries. Order by and group by clauses, we can use order by and group by clauses with DESC and ASC keywords. Clear? Now, suppose a table name table garment, the table name is garment, a table is given on the board in which total 6 fields are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 records are also there. The name of the fields are G code means garment code, G name means garment name, size, color, price and sale code, and in G code garment codes are given 101, 2, 103, 104, 105 and 106. Some products are also given in G name. Portion means t-shirt, jeans, skirt, ladies jacket, trousers, ladies top, etc. Size is also given XL, L, M, etc. Color, different garments colors are also given in this table with their prices, garment prices. Clear? With sale code, a kind of code is also given which is required by the sales person. Whatever ये आपका सेल कोड है वो सेल पर्सन अपने लिए कुछ यूज करते होंगे, जो भी इनका कोड होगा. क्लियर? 6 fields as well as 6 records are there in this table. Now, suppose how we can use the order by clause in this table. Suppose I want to display the records in which I want to see the prices in either in increasing or decreasing order. मुझको प्राइस को इंक्रीजिंग या डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में डिस्प्ले कराना है, जिससे मैं चेक कर सकूं कि प्राइसेस एक्चुअल में कहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है एंड इट गोज अप टू विच प्राइस, ये कहां तक आपका हाईएस्ट प्राइस मूव कर रहा है, फ्रॉम मिनिमम टू मैक्सिमम, और इफ आई वांट टू सी फ्रॉम मैक्सिमम टू मिनिमम देन वी कैन अरेंज अकॉर्डिंगली our need and requirement. Suppose I want to display the price of the garments in ascending or in descending order. Clear? And I also want to display only 4 columns in which I want to display the Z code. Clear? And G name means the garment name as well as the color, and I want to display price only. मुझे एक ऐसी क्वेरी लिखनी है in which I want to display G code, G name, color and price. I am going to write a query. With the help of this query, we will discuss how this query works. Clear? What is the name of table? The table name is garment. Select star from where? From the table name, and the table name is garment. Select star from garment. Star means to select all the fields. जब भी हम स्टार लिखते हैं इट मीन्स वी आर सेलेक्टिंग और वी वांट टू डिस्प्ले ऑल द फील्ड्स इन दैट टेबल. जितने भी कॉलम्स हैं वो सारी कॉलम्स या फील्ड्स को हमें क्या कराना है, डिस्प्ले कराना है. तो स्टार मीन्स ऑल. Star means all. To display all the fields or columns, we have to write star. Clear? Select star from garment. Now, I have to display the price list in increasing order. Clear? Order by, we have to use order by clause. Order by, on which field we have to apply order by clause. किस field पर हमें apply करना है, then we have to mention the name of that field. Order by हमें किस पे order करना है, order by किस पे apply करना है, price. Order by price. In which order? In descending or ascending order? Either in increasing or decreasing order. Suppose I want to display the price in increasing order. Increasing means in ascending order from minimum to maximum. Order by price in ascending. That's why we have to use ASC keyword, then query closed by semicolon. Clear? One query is given, select star from garment, order by price ASC. ASC keyword is used to arrange the data in ascending order, means from minimum to maximum. Clear? किस तरीके से डिस्प्ले होगा, पूरी की पूरी आपको सेम टेबल डिस्प्ले होगी लाइक दिस, बट प्राइसेस विल बी इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. जो प्राइस का कॉलम होगा दैट लुक्स लाइक दिस. गारमेंट कोड इस तरीके से आपका जो प्राइस का होगा उसी के अकॉर्डिंग पूरा रिकॉर्ड्स आपका क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. मैं केवल प्राइस वाले कॉलम को आपको डिस्प्ले करा के यहाँ पर दिखा रहा हूँ. तो मिनिमम प्राइस है 1100, देन 1200, देन 1400, then 1500, then 1600 and 4000 rupees. When we use ASC keyword, then the data will be displayed in ascending order. 1100, 1200, 1400, 1500, 1600 and 4000 rupees. Clear? Accordingly ही आपका 1100 वाला जो भी पूरा आपका रो है 1100, here is the price 1100. ये जो आपका पूरी की पूरी रो होगी ये सबसे पहले आपका क्या होगी, डिस्प्ले होगी. क्लियर? पूरा रिकॉर्ड आपका एक साथ डिस्प्ले होगा सबसे पहले. इसके बाद 1200 वाला मीन्स रेडी स्टॉक, देन 1400 मीन्स टी शर्ट लाइक दिस इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सपोज आई want to display the prices in descending order. मुझे मैक्सिमम से इसको किस तरफ लेकर जाना है, मिनिमम की तरफ लेकर जाना है, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर की तरफ. तो हमें यहाँ पर कौन सा कीवर्ड यूज करना होगा, वी हैव टू यूज DESC कीवर्ड इन दिस टेबल. क्लियर? DESC in descending order. Clear? This is the query in which we can arrange the data in any field either in ascending or descending order. Clear? Now I want to display the data of one field in ascending order as well as the data of another field in descending order. Suppose एक ऐसे क्वेरी लिखनी है जिसमें डेटा को मुझे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में डिस्प्ले करना है और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में भी डिस्प्ले करना है किसी दूसरी फील्ड के डेटा को. क्लियर? सपोज आई वांट टू डिस्प्ले द प्राइस इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर एंड द सेल कोड इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. क्लियर? सेल कोड इन descending order while the price in ascending order, and I have to write the query to display the price and sale code in ascending, price in ascending order as well as the sale code in descending order. Clear? In this query I have to select only 2 columns. 2 ही columns मुझको यहाँ पर क्या करना है, select करना है. It means select, I am not going to write star because when I write star it will fetch all the columns from the table, but I want to display only 2 columns which are the price and the sale code. Select price comma sale code from, select price comma sale code from garment. Clear? Now what we have to do, what is our task? Our task is I have to arrange price in ascending order and sale code in descending order. Clear? Price को हमें ascending order में and the sale code must be displayed in descending order. Order by, we have to use order by clause. Order by what? Price in ascending. Order by price ascending comma sale code in descending. Mean sale code in descending means we have to use DESC keyword. Now to close the query we have to assign the semicolon. With the help of this query we can easily display only 2 columns which are price and sale code, as well as we can order by price and sale code column, price column in ascending order and the sale code column in descending order. Price column in ascending order, what will be the output? We will get a view in which we will see 2 columns, price and sale code, price in ascending order and sale code in descending order. Price in ascending order and sale code in descending order. Clear? Now we have to use the group by clause. Group by clause. What is the use of group by clause? We will see in this query. Now the table name is garment. Now we have to use the use of, we have to show the use of group by clause in this table. Suppose sale code is given in this table. हाँ, एक चीज और है, when we apply ascending or descending order, when anything given in alphabetical order, अगर अल्फाबेट्स आपको गिवन है तो ASC ascending अगर यूज कर रहे हैं then it will be in this order from A to Z for ascending. For ascending from A to Z, it will arrange from A to Z, and in descending it will arrange from Z to A. Clear? Or while in case of digits, for ascending it will be from 1 to so on, and for descending from maximum to minimum. Clear? And in this case from minimum to maximum. Clear? Now what we have to do? We have to use the group by clause. I am making some changes in this table in one field, which is the sale code. Clear? The sale code A, B, C, B, C and D. Different sale codes are there, in which repetition of sales code is also there in this table. सेल कोड्स गिवन है और उन सेल्स कोड में आपका रिपीटिशन भी है, लाइक A, B, B is also here, B, C is also there, and D. Now, how we can use group by clause in this table? Clear? Just check this query. Select star from garment. What is the name of the table? The name of the table is garment. Clear? Now, we have to use group by clause. Group by. On which field we are going to apply group by clause? On sale code. Group by sale code. Now, close this query. Clear? Group by clause क्या करेगा ये? It will group all the data which is similar in this table. Clear? Like A, the frequency of A in this table is single time, while the frequency of B is 2 times, frequency of C is single time, and the frequency of D is 2 times. जो आपका सेल्स कोड का कॉलम होगा ये कैसे दिखाई देगा? The view for this query will be, the column name is sale code. पूरी टेबल डिस्प्ले होगी, लेकिन जो मैं बता रहा हूँ वो आपको सेल कोड के लिए ही केवल दिखा रहा हूँ. क्लियर? I cannot draw a whole table in this on this board because it will consume lot of times. That's why I am not going to show the output of the whole query, but I am just showing the output with the help of single column. Clear? Total 6 records are there. Now, when we write this query, select star from garment group by sale code. Group by sale code, it will display, actually there is no ascending or descending order, or there is no keyword which is applied on this query. Clear? By default, it will arrange the alphabets in ascending order. अगर कुछ भी mention नहीं है, then the query will display the records in ascending order by default. Clear? A, then B 2 times, then C 2 times, and then D. This is the use of group by clause. It will group all the elements of data or data in one group. Clear? Grouping कर देगा आपका. और भी बहुत सारे B होते तो उसके बाद B, then C, then D, then E, so on like this. Suppose इसी query में यहाँ पर मैं लिख दूँ group by sale code and DESC, then the output will be changed in this case. Output आपका क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पर change हो जाएगा. How? You will get output DESC, descending keyword is applied in this query. In descending means from Z to A. तो इस अगर हम कॉलम में चेक करेंगे तो D, clear, then C 2 times, then B 2 times, and A. This is the use of group by clause in which DESC keyword is also applied in this query. Clear? I think everything is clear. Done. This is the use of group by clause. What we have discussed so far in this video, the use of group by clause, the use of order by clause, the use of ASC keyword, and the use of DESC keyword. Clear? Now, I am going to discuss one SQL query through which we will check how to write SQL queries to solve some kind of questions. Clear? Question is given in this video. You will get the question based on this table. Table name is garment. In this video, I will attach the screenshot for the question, because if I write the questions on board, then it will consume lot of times and some space is not available. That's why I am just providing you the screenshot for this question and I am just writing the queries to solve this kind of SQL queries. Clear? The first question based on the table, and the table name is garment, in which 5 fields are there as well as 6 records are also available with this table. Clear? The first question based on this table is to display names of those garments that are available in Excel size. What we have to do? I have to display all the garments that are available in Excel size. ऐसे garments को display कराना है जिनका size क्या हो? Excel हो. Clear? The query will be select star from table name, and the table name is garment. Select star from garment. What is the condition? The condition is the size must be Excel. Here 2 different products are there with Excel sizes. Clear? Select star from garment. We have to write the condition in where clause. Where? What is the condition? The condition is where size is equal to Excel. Clear? Size is equal to Excel. Now query close, then okay. Clear? Now the second question is to display codes and names of those garments that have their names starting with ladies. ऐसे आपको garments को display कराना है जिनका name garment name किससे start हो रहा है? With ladies. Ladies उसका initial हो, उसके बाद जो भी उसमें होगा, but ladies garment से जो भी start हो रहा होगा उन्हीं garments को हमें क्या करना है? We have to display those garments. Select star from garment. Here these 2 garment names are available with ladies jacket and ladies top. What is the condition? We have to display the garment that have their names starting with ladies. Select star from garment. What is the condition? We have to match the string actually, where gname, like, we have to use like keyword, gname like ladies and percent, then query close. Percent is used to match the string. Clear? तो लेडीज इज द स्ट्रिंग. हमें ऐसे गारमेंट चूज करने थे जिनमें इनिशियली क्या लिखा हो? लेडीज लिखा हो, लाइक लेडीज जैकेट्स एंड लेडीज टॉप. वेयर जी नेम like ladies. Clear? Now the third question is, what is the third question? To display garment names, codes and price of those garments that have price in range between 1000 to 15,000. Clear? हमें एक तो garment name, code, we have to display the garment name, the code, garment name, code and price. And price lies between 1000 and 1500 rupees. Clear? What is the query? Select, what is the order? Select G name, comma, G code, comma, price from garment, table name is garment, where what is the condition? The condition is we have to select those products or those garments whose price lies between 1000 to 15 or 14,000, 1000 to 1500 rupees, where price between 1000 and 15,000, 100 actually, 1500 rupees. Clear? I think this query is clear to you all. Now the last query or last question based on this garment table is, we have to change the color of garment with code as 116 to orange. Garment code जिसका 116 है, 106 एक्चुअली 106 है, इसका हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू चेंज द कोड फॉर, in this question the garment code is given 111, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Clear? No problem. Whatever is the G code, we have to select, just write the G code to mention G code to get the view of this query. Clear? हमें एक ऐसे प्रोडक्ट का कलर चेंज करना है जिसका G कोड क्या हो 16. What is the color for G code 116? The G color of G code 116 is pink. We have to change the color from pink to orange. Clear? The fourth query is select star from garment. We have to change the color from pink to orange. Set color, we have to change the color from pink to orange. Color is equal to orange, where what is the condition? Where the product G code, garment code is 116, where G code exactly equal to 116. Query close and you will get the change in color. यहाँ पर आपका पिंक से कलर क्या हो जाएगा? The color will be changed to orange. Clear? I think everything is clear in this video. If you have any query, you can post the same on WhatsApp group as well as you can comment me on YouTube. Clear? If you have any doubt, you are free to ask any question at any time. That's all for the today. Thanks for watching my video.